G'day, legends. What if I told you that you could quit your job, move to paradise, and live like a millionaire for less than the cost of a rental car back home? I'm talking about private villas with pools, three-course steak dinners, and epic adventures, all for under $50 a day. Forget saving up for 10 years to visit Paris or New York. Today, we are counting down the top 5 countries where your dollar stretches so far, you'll feel like royalty. Pack your bags, because we're going budget hunting. The land of $1 beer, Vietnam. First up, we are heading to Southeast Asia, to the undisputed king of budget travel, Vietnam. If you love food, this is your heaven. You can grab a world-famous banh mi sandwich or a steaming bowl of pho on the street for like $1.50. And the beer? It's cheaper than water. You can sit on a little plastic stool in Hanoi and drink fresh beer for 30 cents. But it's not just food. You can stay in a really nice 4-star hotel with a pool for $30 a night. If you split that with a mate, that's $15 each. You can cruise through Ha Long Bay, ride motorbikes through the mountains, and get a massage for $10. It is impossible to spend a lot of money here unless you really try. The European Steel, Portugal. Now, usually Europe destroys your bank account. A coffee in Paris is like $10, but not here. Welcome to Portugal. This is widely known as the cheapest country in Western Europe. You get all the history, the castles, and the stunning beaches, but for half the price of Spain or Italy. You can get a delicious espresso and a famous custard tart for under €2. A massive seafood dinner with wine? Maybe 15 or 20 bucks. The hostels here are legendary. Some of them look like boutique hotels and cost barely anything. If you want that fancy European summer vibe without going bankrupt, Portugal is the answer. Just watch out for the hills in Lisbon. Your calves will be burning. The inflation hack, Argentina. Okay, this next one is a bit of a cheat code right now. We're going to Argentina. Because of their economy, foreign money, like dollars or euros, is worth an absolute fortune there right now. We are talking about world-class steak dinners with a bottle of Malbec wine for under $15. In New York, that would cost you $100. Buenos Aires looks just like Paris, with beautiful architecture and cafes. You can watch tango in the streets, visit massive waterfalls, and hike in Patagonia. It is an incredible country, and if you bring cash, you will live like an absolute king. Just bring an elastic waistband, because you are gonna eat a lot of meat. The island paradise, Bali, Indonesia. You knew this was coming. We can't talk about budget luxury without mentioning Bali, Indonesia. This is the only place on earth where you can rent an entire private villa with your own swimming pool for $50 a night. Seriously, gather 3 friends and you're paying $12 a night for luxury. You can rent a scooter for $5 a day and explore waterfalls, volcanoes, and green rice terraces. The food is insane too. Nasi goreng, fried rice, will cost you $2 at a local warung. Sure, some parts are getting busy, but if you go just a little bit outside the main towns, it is still a budget paradise. It's the ultimate Instagram versus reality win, because the reality is actually affordable. The secret gem, Turkey. Finally, we're heading to where East meets West, Turkey. This place is mind-blowing. You have cities that are thousands of years old, incredible beaches, and landscapes that look like Mars. And the lira, their currency, has dropped in value, which means your money goes a long way. You can take those famous hot air balloon rides, shop for spices in the Grand Bazaar, and eat the best kebabs of your life for pennies. A bus ride across the whole country costs barely anything. You can stay in a literal cave hotel in Cappadocia for a budget price. It feels exotic and expensive, but your wallet will stay nice and full. So there you have it, legends. 5 places where you can live the high life on a low budget. Why sit at home saving money when you could be eating steak in Argentina or swimming in a private pool in Bali right now? Which one of these is top of your list? I reckon I'm off to Vietnam for 10 banh mis. Smash that like button if you want more travel hacks and subscribe to top places to visit so you don't miss out. Stay legendary and I'll catch you in the next one.